The introduction of Dash traces all the way back to the year 2014 when a prominent American crypto master Evan Duffield initially presented the Dash coin. At first, as Xcoin, it was a redo or part of Litecoin to support parallelly, however soon it was more famous as Darkcoin. This also became history when Duffield chose to course the execution of this cryptographic money for making cash installments and initiated it as Dash, for example, advanced money. Despite the fact that Duffield and his forceful group put together Dash with respect to the structure of the codebase as Bitcoin, Dash was intended to stand separated with particular elements integrated. The resource went through a few changes before it at last demonstrated its strength at the trade. Before we dive into the Dash cost expectation, let us examine a portion of the novel highlights of Dash. Dash, grasping the idea. Circumstances are different today. Gone are the days when you expected to convey a wallet loaded down with those fiat papers and minding them as often as possible so they don't get taken. Conveying computerized cash is way better compared to cash as it resolves the issue of capacity, convenience, solace, superfast and bother-free exchanges. A cutting-edge installment strategy. Dash deals with a P2P installments organization and records all exchanges immaculately on the blockchain. A decentralized, conveyed, public record. Dash, how would I stand separated? Dash Network houses Dash for building decentralized applications. The whole structure depends on two nodal components, one Drive and 2D API. These two change the Dash P2P network into a cloud working with a smooth combination with their applications by engineers. Following a decentralized control framework, Dash is a well-established idea intended to make a Pandora or depository, supported by 10% of the block reward. This is a combination between the assortment of exchange expenses and the new stamping of Dash given to diggers for getting the blockchain. The democratic framework on project proposition goes about as an impetus to support and draw in with the general organization and further upgrades the consideration of various new ventures. This is a significant step that Dash has taken for mechanical headway and as a special drive. No big surprise this large number of elements add to the prominence of Dash. For example, in Venezuela currently in excess of 800 dealers have begun effectively involving Dash for installments. On account of these highlights, Dash has become progressively famous all over the planet. Likewise, Zimbabwean beginning up Cuba Cash, which acquired assets on Dash's decentralized financing framework, is additionally utilizing Dash to offer an option in contrast to its country's public cash. In America, Dash has subsidized Alt36, a stage that works with installments for the U.S. marijuana industry. In London part, numerous ATMs are in activity facilitating Dash. It appears to be the Dash coin will absolutely change the worldwide skyline of installments. Aside from 114 and other aforementioned pointers, the exchanging volume of Dash is likewise a marker to comprehend its cost elements and the estimate it holds. Merchants come to advertise with yearnings that the digital currency they hold will guarantee incredible returns for the crypto market. Be that as it may, because of the pandemic, financial backers are constrained to search for elective choices and in any event, supporting. At present, the cost of $128.84, as shown by Dash, is appealing and pioneering, however it can shoot to better levels. Clearly, this is the most suitable opportunity to benefit in the Dash market by taking advantage of your abilities as a swing dealer. To comprehend the value expectations of Dash better, it would be great to dig further into the past account of Dash. Dash value, the previous narrative, to make the most reliable Dash forecasts. And specialized examination, one of the main advances is to investigate Dash's previous presentation. Since the money entered the market in 2014, the Dash cost has gone through various emotional changes. Allow us to have a brief glance at a portion of the notable Dash forecasts. Not long after Dash showed up on trade in 2014, its most memorable large flood came in among April and May. Its cost rose from $5.84 to $15.96, an impressive leap that mirrored a gigantic measure of early financial backer interest. Its development was a lot more slow until the end of 2014, 2015, and 2016, with its cost by and large drifting somewhere in the range of $15 and $25. Not at all like numerous other cryptos, the Dash cost saw outrageous development for practically the total of 2017. In January, its cost was $43.82. By September, it had moved up to a mind-boggling $50.49, yet even that was too failed to measure up to the development spray that looked for it. As the Dash market overall began to encounter levels of gigantic expansion, Dash surely would not have been abandoned. Among October and December 2017, its cost jumped up from $50.50 to $61.14, prior to dropping down to $47.26 1 year after the fact in December 2018. Being recorded on most of trades gives Dash a manageability advantage. The symbolic shows an exchanging volume of $446,623,207.10. As of now, the Dash cost checked unexpected changes, and presently, it exchanges around $128.84, despite the fact that numerous specialists think of it as a bullish token. There are numerous who devaluate this computerized resource, which is a decision for millions. The geeks have the accompanying shifted feelings to refer to. Dash would arrive at a characteristic of around $247.94 according to the Dash cost forecast anticipated by 2026. Dash, going by what it was in last July, Dash sounds exceptionally bullish as it has shown a solid consistency. As per the Dash cost forecast by Trading Beasts, toward the finish of 2022, the coin ought to handily swing around $133.41. The Dash conjecture done by Wallet Investor shows that the coin would spin around $311.06 in the following 5 years. Based on different Dash expectations, 2022 to 2026 sounds bullish as well, making it to $201.11. Naturally, numerous different stages and examiners appear to have serious doubts of the extraordinary qualities conjecture. They see bears administering the Dash realm as opposed to bulls driving the Dash truck. In any case, from July 2022 to January 2024, Dash is by all accounts taking a bear break and again proceeding to flood, legitimizing, nothing stays long-lasting. Pandemic has been a genuine standard for fiat and digital currencies. With directed world economies moving towards downturn, it is demonstrated certain that computerized monetary standards will manage the monetary realm. According to the Dash cost expectation, the coin will be one of the most significant lords of this wild. Arising as a very unique and lively power, Dash will be the pick and selection of financial backers, particularly on the grounds that it has gone the distance. And furthermore, financial backers have found a component of dependability implanted in this token. Dash Value Forecast 2022. Now that we've recapped how precisely Dash functions, how about we start by taking a gander at the Dash cost expectations for 2022. However, there are better possibilities not too far off hiding for Dash, with organizations like longforecast.com making various stories by and large have built up momentum. Seeing not delighted costs, financial backers might select to peruse different forecasts that sound more hopeful. A near examination of different Dash cost expectations assists us with reasoning that Dash may, without a doubt, give a tremendous exhibition in the year 2022. It very well may be the impact of pandemic settling down our antibody setup, or so far as that is concerned, government-issued types of money have bombed their tests. Dash Value Expectation 2023. In light of the Dash cost forecast, it is normal that the coin could reach $202.89 in the year 2023. A strikingly noticeable uniqueness places purchasers in charge of the following course Dash cost will take. Dash Value Forecast 2024. According to the Dash cost gauge, the coin cost could hit around $227.91 in 2024. This value rise can be useful for the merchants and the financial backers. Dash Value Expectation 2025. As per its Dash cost forecast, the coin could hit highs of nearly $270.93 toward the finish of 2025, despite the fact that it might consider the